Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change battery in Lexus LS460. Park on level ground and set the parking brake, then open the hood and locate the battery cover. Gather a 10 mm wrench, gloves, safety glasses, and a battery memory saver if you want to preserve settings. Always disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive, and carefully remove hold-downs. Lift the battery straight up and swap in the new unit, reconnecting terminals in reverse order. In this video, I will explain how to change battery in Lexus LS460. Start by loosening the negative cable nut and sliding the terminal off, then do the positive terminal. Remove any covers or the hold-down clamp with a socket set and keep all fasteners together. Use gloves and lift the battery with both hands, keeping it upright to avoid spills. Inspect the tray and cables for corrosion and clean with a baking soda solution, if needed before installing the new battery. In this video, I will review how to change battery in Lexus LS460. Quick recommendation. On another note, the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for waiting at the shop or reading your owner manual with glare-free display and long battery life. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help change battery in Lexus LS460. Set the new battery into the tray with the terminals matching the cable orientation, then reinstall and tighten the hold-down clamp securely. Reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative, and ensure all connections are tight and corrosion-free. Start the engine to confirm a good connection and reset any clocks or memory settings if necessary. Dispose of the old battery at a recycling facility or auto parts store.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.